In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily hide your YouTube subscribers. You can see it right here. I'll also show you how to do this on your phone. There may be a situation that you want to do this easily on your mobile device, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. And I will also share why you shouldn't hide your YouTube subscribers. Go to the particular YouTube channel in which you want to hide your subscribers. You can see right here, I have a lot of YouTube channels. So let's just go to this tester one right here. Here we are on this particular channel. There's two ways that you can go in here to hide your subscribers. You can go to customize channel and you can go to your avatar here on the top right-hand side. The most important thing is that you get into YouTube Studio. Here we are on the back end. Look here on the left-hand side and go to settings, this little gear icon. Next, we're going to go to channel, the second one down. And then moving over here to the center option next to basic info is advanced settings. Scroll on down, and you're going to see the option right here that says subscriber count. I have checked display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Let's just go ahead and uncheck this. Click save. Then we're going to refresh and go back to our YouTube channel. And we can see here that the subscriber count is now hidden. If you want to go ahead and turn it back on, again, YouTube Studio, settings, channel, advanced settings, and we can go ahead and turn that subscriber count back on. Make sure that you click the save button. And there we are again with 25 subscribers. Now, when you hide your subscribers, they will not be public, but you can still see them on the back end of your YouTube channel. Let me show you. Dashboard here on the left-hand side, and then you will still be able to see it right here. And yes, it is 4:37 in the morning. If you want to hide your YouTube subscribers on Android or iPhone, the steps are exactly the same. The only difference is that you need to be in the desktop version of YouTube. Let me show you. Go to your particular web browser, whether that's Safari or Chrome. Go to youtube.com, and in fact, I would even type in YouTube desktop just in case. Here we go. This is the one you want. Click home, and then this is going to pop up right here. I'm going to use Safari, and here we are in the desktop version. It's so tiny. Make sure that you are in the correct YouTube channel here by looking at your avatar in the top right-hand side. And then the same thing applies. You're going to go ahead and go into Creator Studio. It's the third one down. Can you see that? And here we are on the back end. Again, you want to go to the settings tab. And here it's at the bottom, this little gear. And the same thing, you're going to go to channel, you're going to go to advanced settings, and you're going to click the option that says hide subscriber count. Now, should you or shouldn't you hide your YouTube subscribers? Here we are on one of my newest channels. You can see that I have just over 3,000 subscribers. I repeat, I would not hide your YouTube subscribers. And here is why. People who subscribe to your channel in the beginning oftentimes have a sense of being proud. They want to support small channel creators. They like to see that they were a part of something that grew over time. So one, they want to support you. They want to support small channels. And two, they want to know that they were an early adopter. This is a highly researched topic in the marketing world. So I would not hide your YouTube subscribers. If you're looking for 6 ways to earn money on YouTube and potentially go full-time with your efforts, click the video on screen now, give this a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.